Hello, today we introduce the Smart Classification function. Before using this function, you need to download the Smart Classification model package in advance and place it in the installation folder. Open the software. Click on the Start page to enter the resources bar. Click to download the Smart Classification model package. When clicking to download, unzip the downloaded installation package according to the pop-up window prompt and overwrite the submodule folder in the installation directory. Note that when some decompression software is decompressed, one more level of file directory will be decompressed. If you click on submodules, it is the model folder. That is, it needs to be copied and replaced. Correct submodules file. Copy it to the Green Valley Switch LiDAR360V9.0.0.0 folder in the installation directory. Under the submodules model folder in the installation directory, the files model, safe tensors, and model encrypted grounds have appeared. The download and replacement are complete. After restarting the software, start using the Smart Classification function. Find the Classification Editor function under the Classification module. Click Smart Classification. Data needs to be partitioned first. You can do it on demand here. Choose your own tile size. Note that there is a maximum tile width on the right. The required input value cannot be greater than this required value. After the partition, you can switch between different blocks at the top. Find the block that needs to be edited. Open the Smart Classification function on the left. It takes a few seconds to load the model when opening. After loading is complete, in the class setting in the lower left corner, select the class we need to modify. So for example, you have to modify the misdivided vegetation. We chose to class as the low vegetation. The identification type is generally selected as not ground point. After selection, click on the vegetation point we need to modify. Here you can see that the identification and classification have been completed. If the operation is wrong halfway through, you can click Cancel. If we need to classify a wide range of features, the radius can be adjusted in the lower left corner. At this time, the scope of recognition will become larger. Conversely, when you need to classify small ground features, the radius can be adjusted smaller. Other rendering methods can be switched during the classification process. It's easy for us to classify. After all classification is completed, click on the upper left corner to save the result. To save the classified results, the above is the full introduction to intelligent recognition classification. Thanks for watching.